This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. Gated community, 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, split floor plan overlooking the beautiful view of the lake. Tile floors throughout, glass top stove, central air conditioner, washer/dryer, screened and patio plus storage, quick approval, all ages, rent incorporated, water/cable/internet/pest control. Community offers, swimming pools, fitness room, tennis, basketball, barbecue area, car wash area and clubhouse. Freshly painted and ready. For more information, review the details below.